In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zephyr in Jira. Whether you're a seasoned Jira user or just starting out, incorporating Zephyr can be a game changer as it enhances your testing capabilities seamlessly. So, let's walk through the installation process together, step by step. First, start by navigating to the left panel of your Jira dashboard. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Apps. Click on that to dive into the world of add-ons available for Jira, which can amplify the functionality of your project management experience. This panel is your gateway to exploring a variety of tools that can assist in tailoring Jira to fit your specific needs. Once you've clicked on Apps, direct your attention to the Explore More Apps option. Selecting this will bring you to a comprehensive library of all available apps you can integrate with Jira. This is your go-to place to find enhancements and extensions that can streamline your workflows and introduce new functionalities. In this library, you'll want to search for Zephyr. Simply type Zephyr into the search bar and hit Enter. You'll see Zephyr come up as a search result, bringing you access to its detailed app page. Click on Zephyr to open this page where you'll find an overview of its features and functionality. This page also includes reviews and feedback from other users, which can offer invaluable insights into how Zephyr might benefit your team's processes. Now, once you're on the Zephyr app page, you'll see that they offer a 30-day free trial. This is a perfect opportunity to explore Zephyr and see firsthand how it can enhance your testing and QA processes without making an immediate financial commitment. In the top right-hand corner of the Zephyr app page, you'll find a button labeled Try It Free. You'll want to click on this button to begin the integration process. Next, you'll be guided through an authentication and connection process. During this stage, it's crucial to ensure you select your Jira site accurately. This is where Zephyr will be installed, so take your time to make sure you choose the correct Jira instance associated with your organization. Follow the prompts to complete the authentication seamlessly. It's designed to be a straightforward process. Just a few clicks, and you're done. And that's it. You have successfully added Zephyr to your Jira setup. This integration can significantly bolster your ability to manage test cases directly from Jira, offering a more cohesive and integrated approach to project management and quality assurance. Feel free to explore Zephyr's full suite of features within Jira and enjoy the enhanced capabilities it brings to your testing workflow. Thank you for tuning in, and happy testing!